So the comment reads, yeah, I want an RO system in addition to my carbon filters I've got. They make great ice and other things. It definitely has its uses. Here's the word of caution I would have about that. Here's why you might not want to put a reverse osmosis unit hooked up to an ice machine or the ice maker in your fridge. And that is because most ice machines are required to operate at 30 to 40 PSI. And here's the thing, an RO system reduces your water pressure coming in by 30 to 35%, which means you'd have to be starting with like 70 or 80 PSI, which for the record, most residential plumbing is around 50 PSI. So that's a no-go there. So you could actually void the warranty on your refrigerator, on your ice maker, if you use an RO system to make your ice. Proceed with caution.